Hello to all my lovely students. Hope we are doing good at our homes and keeping ourselves safe from the virus. I hope we all are taking precautions, washing our hands, eating healthy food, not touching our eyes, mouth and nose. Since we are at home and there is no school, so now we are going to study online through videos, PPTs and much more. So are you all ready? Let's start. Today we are going to start with something very interesting, that is ourselves, about me or who am I. This is the very first chapter in EVS. So what do we understand if I say me or I? Yes, we are talking about ourselves. And the first thing which comes to mind when we talk about ourselves is our name. And then maybe our age. And then birthday, which is the most important day in our lives and we keep on eagerly awaiting for it for the entire year. So let's begin with some questions. Let's try and answer some about a girl. So first question says, my name is Tina. Suppose we give a name Tina to this girl. Now the second question says, my father's name is Ajay. Next one, my mother's name is Sonia. My date of birth is 13th December 2013. So, all these questions are telling you something about Tina. But this is not it. There are many more things which are to be known about Tina. So, everybody, I think we all know this much about ourselves, isn't it? We know our name, our father's name, our mother's name, and our date of birth. So now let's move on and see what is in store in our textbook. This is our textbook for EVS. The name of the book is Fun with Environmental Studies, Part 2. Let's open the book to the first chapter, that is about me. So the name of the lesson is about me. And see what we see here. There is Mickey and on the other side there is Humpty Dumpty. Yes, you guessed it right. And what are they doing here? They are giving an introduction to themselves. Here Mickey is giving his introduction. He is saying, I am Mickey and my friend's name is Minnie. And here he is saying, my name is Humpty Dumpty. So they are introducing themselves through their name. Now let's move on. Oh, such a pretty cute girl here. She's saying, hello friends. Today I will tell you something about myself. So she wants to introduce herself to you. But here we are going to write our own introduction in these questions. So the first question reads, my name is. So you will here write your own name. The next question reads, I am 6 years old. I hope all of you are more or less 6 years old. Yes? So let's move on. The next question says, my address is. What do you mean by address? That means your home address, where you live. So you will write your home address here. Then the next one says, the name of my school is. Here all of you will write GD Goenka Public School. And the next one says, I am in class. Everybody is in which class? In class 2. and your section name. The next one says the name of my best friend is. So you will write the name of your best friend here. And the last one says my birthday is on. Everybody will mention their birthday here. And you can also paste your picture in the space provided above. So are we all clear about this first page of our textbook? Yes? Okay. So now, as we all can answer now such questions about ourselves. So before we move on, there are things that you like or you do. Those things are called your favorites. And I hope everyone has a favorite toy, favorite cartoon, favorite ice cream, favorite food, isn't it? We all have one of our favorite toys, one cartoon which we love to watch every time, and one ice cream which we cry for, and everybody every time wants to eat a pizza and a burger, right? So those are all our favorites. So what do we mean by favorite? Favorite is something that you like or you love to do. So now let's move on. Page of our book, and the first thing here says my favorite. The first picture says my favorite game. So I have given an example, carom. My favorite dish, pizza. My favorite animal, cheetah. My favorite toy, teddy bear. My favorite flower, lotus. And my favorite TV channel, Pogo. And this is not it. You must be having many more favorites like favorite color, favorite fruit, favorite season, favorite book, favorite bird, favorite subject, and so on. The list is never ending. Now let's move on and see what is written in this yellow box. Do you know? All new babies look alike. Do you know what is different for each of them? Their footprints are different. So the one major difference which are there in the newborn babies is everybody's footprint is different. So this is a new thing which we have learnt in this lesson. So now move on. There's a fun practice exercise which is asking, can you do these things? Write yes if you can do and no if you cannot do. The first one says, the boy is playing games on computer. Can you all do this? Yes. The next one, the boy is painting. We can also do that? Yes. And the next one, very important, the boy is putting trash in the dustbin. We should all do this, yes? Then the boy is cycling. We should all do this also. It's good for our exercise. The next one, the girl is putting the chair on her head. Is this good? No, you might get hurt. And here, all the friends are playing together. That is very good. So, a yes. So, I hope you have understood till here. Yes? Thank you very much. Keep learning and keep growing.